Hi, in this video I'm going to explain about how teachers can enter the subject-wise marks in AMS ERP for the student. First of all, teachers needs to log into the portal, and here we supposed to enter the username and password. And basically the username and password is the registered mobile number. I'm entering the credential here. Just click on to the sign in option, and once we sign into the portal, we will get the pop-up like this. And if the teachers require to change the password, they can change here. Otherwise they can directly go to the academic module. Under the academic module we have the exams. Under exams we have GPA as well as CCE. This GPA is for the students from the class 11th and 12th, and CCE is for the students from the class 1st to 10th. For the time being I'm going with CCE. Under the CCE we have the CCE exam, and here we have CCE Scholastic Mark List as well as CCE Scholastic Mark List. I am selecting Scholastic Mark List here, and here teacher is supposed to enter the mark. So before that we need to select the course, batch, term, assessment name, exam name and the subject. So we will get the total list of students with their admission number and the roll number, and here teacher is supposed to enter the mark. I am entering the mark here, and apart from the mark, teacher have the privilege to add absent as well as medical leave for the students, and if that is absent, it will consider as 0 marks, and if it is medical leave, it will not consider while adding the total mark. So after adding all the marks, on the left lower side of the dashboard we have the save button. Save all the marks, and teachers can check the entered mark here under the mark list. Go to mark list, select the course, batch, term, assessment name, exam name and the subject. Then teachers will get the total list of students with the mark. And also in the same way we can add mark for Scholastic Mark List. So if the teacher is the class teacher of any particular class, the class teacher have the privilege to view the broadsheet for the student. For that, go to broadsheet, select the course, batch, term, assessment name and exam name, and just click on to the view report option. So here we will get all the list of students with their subject wise mark as well as the total mark. And also the class teacher have the privilege to export the Excel as well as for take the print from here. This is all about the broadsheet generation as well as mark entry. Thank you.